The sitemap has a feature that allows you to filter out the tree views that show in the results. As you visit sites, they're going to be populated into this view. You can drill down into the individual sites to see folders underneath of those sites. However, you probably only want to see a small subset of sites, and usually only those that are in scope. You can use the filter feature to eliminate a lot of the sites that have been visited or that you visit during testing from the tree view. To open the filter, click on this gray bar. This will open up the filter section. One of the most popular filters is to show only items that are in scope. You can check the box and then click somewhere off of the pane to close the pane. Since there's nothing in scope, nothing shows. We can put a site in scope by right-clicking and saying Add to Scope. Now when we show only in-scope items, we'll see the one site that we added to scope. There are other filters that you can use as well, especially come in handy when you only want to see certain subfolders, or you want to filter on sites that contain a certain folder or a certain file. As an example, if we only wanted to see sites that contained a folder or a page with the word Matilde in it, we can put that into the search term box. The filter will look through the tree views and only show those that have that word in it. There are other filters you can use as well based on the type of the file or the status code that's returned in the HTTP response. Using these filters can help you be more efficient when you're using Burp Suite.